Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today in this video, we're going to talk about the vBNC in Bifrost. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. vBNC is the V token in Bifrost, which will provide the liquidity for the BNC staking. Today in the article, Bifrost provide the details about this new derivative staking. Bifrost itself is a parachain in Polkadot ecosystem. They focus on the staking in the Web3 for the cross-chain staking and provide liquidity. The V token or the vBNC, they will have some benefits. For example, when you do the staking, right? You cannot do anything, you cannot use the token. But with help of the V token, now this vBNC, you can still use that and get some more rewards. For example, later on there will be some farming for the vBNC, so you will earn some actual rewards. So the vBNC is online on December 22nd at 10 a.m. UTC time, and they will have the LP farming pool on December 26th. And so don't miss that opportunity. If you have the BNC, right now is a good time. You should try to mint the vBNC first, and then wait for the LP pool. And so the liquidity staking for the Bifrost is a little bit different than others. They have several coordinators that they choose, and they have a score for them. And so if you check this table, they also list the top 10 coordinators, and with help of that, you can get better rewards than the single coordinator staking, or you just choose it by yourself. And so the V staking, now just go to the tab, there's a vBNC, and you have different ways. You can just mint, or you can go to the swap. So in the swap, sometimes actually the swap can give you better better results, this vBNC. Since I don't have many BNC here, actually I have some more. Now they are on stake. I still didn't get them, so I will just use the mint functions. I mint some BNC, so this is a vBNC now. So it's my staking, and then you can later on check the farm. Right now the vBNC farming is not there, but the vBNC BNC LP farming will be there in 3 days, around 3 days. And so don't miss that opportunity to get some more reward. So this is all about today's video, just about the vBNC, and show you how to mint the vBNC and how to do the staking, and about the future farming. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I hope all of you have a good holiday. See you next time. Bye bye.